The black rack outperforms other rattling products in many ways. Number one, it's black. That's for concealment. Deer actually communicate with white, whether it's a flicker of the ear, the tail, or through their throat patch. The black rack's dark for a reason. You can rattle, move, and they can't pick up that movement, that light color, because they're dark. Number two, they're synthetic and they have a lightweight acoustical advantage. So there's more tines, more tine-to-tine contact. So when you slam the top, twist the bottom, more tines are engaging and there's more volume, creating that breeding rights instinct that bucks come flocking into. Hold them down low, slam the top, and twist the bottom, and you'll never hit your knuckles again. Black Rack Rattling System, #1 rated because it works. All Illusion Systems products come complete with a detailed instructional video series and advanced tips and tactics